If your heart feels a little fuller on July 30th, it's not just you. It's the International Day of Friendship, spreading joy and unity across the globe. Every year on July 30th, the world takes a moment to celebrate the magic of friendship. Recognized by the United Nations, this day isn't just about having fun. It's about appreciating those who stand by us in every corner of the planet, promoting peace and togetherness. From the bustling streets of New York to the quiet villages in the heart of Africa, friendship knows no boundaries. It's about that laugh that lights up a room, or the comforting silence that speaks volumes. It's the friends we call at 2 a.m. during a crisis, and those who call us just to say, "I miss you." But it's more than just personal. The UN encourages us to bridge cultural divides and build connections that foster understanding and respect across different backgrounds. It's about turning a frenemy into a friend, finding common ground in our uncommon lives. Did you know having close friends can increase your lifespan by 22%? And most adults count on just 2 best buddies to share their world with. Today, why not reach out to make a new friend or cherish the old ones? Whether you're sharing a cup of coffee or a simple text message, every act of friendship is a step towards a more peaceful world. So let's unite and celebrate, not just on International Day of Friendship, but every day. Because every friend we make is a bridge to a better, kinder world. Ready to make more friends?